Hi everyone, welcome to Nature Shala, and I have this very important question for you, that which is the most important thing without which you cannot survive. So as most of you must have answered with food, air, water and even oxygen. And yes, there is no one thing that without which we cannot survive. But all these things are necessary for us. And if you think about it, you can find one common thing about all these answers. That is, we get most of them from trees. So, don't you think that it is very important and it is very necessary for us to know about trees, to understand them, to protect them? Yes, of course it is. And that is what this video series is all about, which is knowing the flora around you, where we would be learning about trees, we would be understanding them, we would find out the different colorful flowers that we have in India, and we would be knowing the tasty, amazing fruits that we have in India. We would be understanding more about them, and eventually you would just start loving them. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel, share this video with all your friends, and together we shall learn about this. Till then, stay home and stay safe. See you.